Your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra robot vacuum needs one thing to work its best: to be clean. Let's clean your robot vacuum step by step and get it running like new in just a few minutes. Remove the cleaning tray from base station and start by removing the 2 cleaning discs and the self-cleaning assembly from the cleaning tray. Rinse all the parts thoroughly with water and wipe them dry with a clean cloth. Once everything is completely dry, reassemble the components into the tray and reinstall them in the base station. Lift the dust collector cover to access the dust bag. Gently pull the used bag out and wipe the inside of the collector box with a dry cloth. Remove the filter, wash it, and let it dry fully before reinstalling. Slide a new dust bag into place by aligning its plastic card with the rails, then close the dust collector cover. Open the robot's top cover and take out the dust bin. Empty the bin, rinse the filter inside, and let it dry completely before reassembling and placing it back into the robot. Flip the robot over to clean the main brush. Remove any hair or debris, then reinstall it with the cover. Clean the side brush and gently wipe the sensors and entire exterior with a soft cloth. That's all it takes to clean your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.